Hello, my name's Kyle Skelson and I'm here today from Megger, and I'm here with Test for Less to show you the latest range of thermal cameras that we have here from Megger. So here we have our entry-level camera, which is the TC120. It comes with 120 by 90 pixels and gives you the ability to do some reporting with the free-to-use software that's included with all of our range of thermal cameras. Here we have our TC256, which is the improved version of our 120, which gives you greater thermal resolution and a higher pixel count as well. And just like with all of our cameras, you have that free software that allows you to do your reports. And here we have our TC256 Pocket Style. Just like the gun style camera, it comes with a resolution of 256 pixels, but it also has a touch screen and has the ability to connect to an app which can be used on your phone to generate reports. And here we have our TC640, which is our top of the range thermal camera that we currently produce. It comes with 640 pixels by 480, a full color touchscreen like the TC256 Pocket, but as well as that, it comes with the manual focus. And what that allows you to do is it allows you to hone in into your areas of inspection. And just like the TC256, you also have the ability to download the reports to an app. Here's our TC120, which is our entry-level thermal camera. This is a great tool for inspections for distribution boards or if you're looking for a blockage in a radiator. Next in our range is our TC256. We have both the gun style and the pocket camera style. Major difference between these two is the pocket style has your touchscreen, whereas the gun style uses your buttons. The advantage of these two cameras over the 120 is you get that better thermal resolution as well as that higher quality image. Here we have our T256P pocket camera. What makes this stand out from our gun style of our 256 is it has a full color touchscreen, and as well as that, it has the ability to generate a report from a free to download app on your phone. And with the TC256P, it also comes with Wi-Fi. This is what actually allows you to connect to your phone so that you can download the free to use app and generate a quick report on the go. And here we have our top of the range camera, our TC640. What makes this stand out from all of the other range is it's our first camera that comes with the manual focus that allows you to hone into the actual areas of inspection that you're interested in. And as well as that, you have your full color touchscreen. With this camera, not only are you able to do all of your basic thermal inspections, but you'll also be able to start looking at building inspections as well as solar panels or heat loss calculations. As well as that, with the TC640, you do have the ability to download the reports to your phone so that you can generate a report, or alternatively, you do have that PC software as well. Not only does the TC640 have all of the great features that I've previously mentioned, but as well as that, you actually have the ability to leave the camera in situ and record what it is you want to observe, and then view that through the software at a remote location. As well as that, you also have the ability to add voice annotations. So while you're walking around doing your inspection, you can actually be adding voice notes to the images for your reports. As well as that, with the TC640, you can actually watermark your images so that you can put your own company branding on the images. And as well as the image watermarking, you also have multimodal image fusion. And what that does is it takes your visible light image and your thermal images and allows you to blend the two together so you can actually see the hard lines on your thermal image. As well as that, you have multiple ways to take your actual measurements, from your spot to your rectangle to your line on the TC640. Now, our other range of cameras only come with the spot measurement function. However, once you enter to the software, it gives you the ability to use all forms of measurement like you would with the TC640. With 15 color palettes to choose from on the TC640, it allows you to really hone in and dig down with your thermal tuning so you can see what needs to be seen. As you'd expect from all thermal cameras, our entire range gives you the ability to change your emissivity and your reflected apparent temperature so that you can minimize outside interference.